Okay, good day. Introduce yourself.
Good day, ma'am, sir. Thank you for watching my video. I am Mary Jane Edilio. I am 32 years old. I am married. I am Roman Catholic. I have two child, 7 years old and 8 years old. I have 3 brothers and 2 sisters, and I am the youngest of the family.
What is your educational attainment?
Computer secretarial.
Are you graduate of it?
Yes,
So how long you studied in college?
2 years.
2 years course. Okay. Are you an ex abroad?
No, ma'am.
So do you have experience before here in the Philippines?
Yes,
For how long?
2 years. Ma'am.
How many members of the family did you
One
serve?
couple and 1 child.
How old the child?
2 years old.
Girl or boy?
Girl. Ma'am.
How do you take care of her?
I will take care of the baby like
How do you take care of the little girl before when you in your employer house?
I will take care of the baby like singing the nursery rhyme and feeding the baby and playing with the baby.
How about taking her a bath? Do you need also to take her a
Yes,
bath?
ma'am.
Okay. And beside caring of the child, what else did you do as a helper?
I'll do all the like cooking, washing the dishes, ironing, and cleaning the house.
You go to market?
Yes, ma'am.
How often you do marketing?
Ma'am?
How often in a week you go to market?
Two, ma'am?
What do you mean twice a week?
Oh, yes, ma'am.
Okay. Why do you want to work in Hong Kong?
Because I want to help my husband and our daily expenses for our kids.
Who will look for your kids if you're going to Hong Kong?
My mother and my husband.
Your family allows you to go abroad?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you willing to share job with other helper?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you willing to look for an elderly in Hong Kong?
Yes, ma'am.
You love kids?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you handle naughty kids?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Are you willing to learn also to how to cook Chinese food?
Yes, ma'am.
It's okay for you that no Sunday day off will be given to you, only weekdays.
It's okay, ma'am.
Your future employer is watching you. What can you assure and promise to them?
To my future employer, please don't hire me as a helper because I will do my duties and responsibilities. And I promise I am a hardworking person and flexible. I love cooking and I learn and I can work and I can work. Thank you.
Okay, thank you very much, HL2165.